Now in this lesson we do some work on capacity. Now firstly, what is capacity? Well, capacity is the ability to hold liquid. Okay, we're usually talking about water. Now 1 litre equals 1,000 millilitres. 1 kilolitre equals 1,000 litres. 1 cubic centimetre, alright, let's picture this, there's our cube, 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. That will hold 1 milliliter. On the other hand, 1 cubic metre, alright, a much bigger cube, it will hold 1,000 litres. Alright, that's a lot of water. Another word for 1,000 litres, another way of writing it, 1 kilolitre. Okay, let's look at some examples now. We need to find the number of litres of water this fish tank can hold. The first step is to find the volume. Now V equals LBH. Okay, for a cuboid or a rectangular prism, volume equals length times breadth times height, where the length 68 centimetres, the breadth 35 centimetres, and the height is 40 centimetres. So let's multiply those three dimensions together, and when we work that out, it works out to be 95,200 cubic centimetres. Now we need to find the number of litres. Well, let's just write down what we saw in our previous screen. 1 litre equals 1,000 mils. 1 kilolitre is 1,000 litres. 1 cubic centimetre will hold 1 milliliter. And 1 cubic metre will hold 1,000 litres. So we need to remember those. What we've got though at the moment, 95,200 cubic centimetres. So we can see that 1 cubic centimetre will hold 1 milliliter. So we can say therefore that the capacity so far is 95,200 mils. So we just changed the centimetres cubed to mils. Now that though, our answer we need is in litres. So 1 litre equals 1,000 mils. So we're going to divide that by 1,000. We get 95.2 litres. Excellent. Our second example now, find the capacity of this pool. Right, now if you have a look at it, it has regular dimensions there of Olympic sized pool, okay, 50 metres in length and about 20 metres across, okay. Now, first step, again, to find the volume. So if you think about this prism, it's a trapezoidal prism, isn't it? Okay. That shape is a trapezium, and that shape goes right through the solid. So the area of a trapezium is a half h, then in brackets a plus b. So let's work this area out as our first step. If we think of it like this, we've redrawn it such that the parallel sides are horizontal, the 1 metre and the 2.5 metres. So the half the height, you can see now the height simply is the 50, so half times 50. Multiplied by, in brackets, the a plus b, where we can see the a and b are the two parallel sides there. So the 1 and the 2.5, so we add those inside the brackets. Then calculating that, we come up with 87.5 square metres. So our first step's done. We found the area. Need to find the volume by multiplying that area by the depth. Okay, in other words, there the area is 87.5. Multiplying by the depth, which is how far that shape has gone through the solid, alright? That went a distance of 20 metres. So we multiply by that 20. And when we calculate that, we come up with 1,750 cubic metres. So far we have found the volume. But the question is asking us for the capacity. So what we need to do is realise that every cubic metre holds 1,000 litres, okay, or 1 kilolitre. So if we have 1,750 cubic metres, then the capacity is 1,750 lots of 1,000 litres. And that works out to be 1,750,000 litres. Or another way of writing that, we could say that it is 1,750 kilolitres. Excellent. Well, that concludes our lesson on capacity. Good luck with your questions.